Hey everybody, welcome back. Just getting on to the 2014 Kia Sorento. I gotta do the wheel bearing. It took me 2/3 of the day to change the valve cover gaskets. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger job. Lots of cleanup. The front one was a nightmare. Anyways, I'm getting around to changing the wheel bearing. And I bought a new tool straight from Amazon. And let's just see. I did pop it in neutral real quick because I had to let it down. Let's see if we can. Let's see how it works. So I'll move you guys in a little closer. I did take everything apart. It came apart real easy. It looks like we put this on here like this. So then we got a couple little spacers. And we'll use the original lug nuts. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this works. I've never had one of these. I've seen a couple YouTube videos. And it looks like it's going to line up okay. Let's just tighten these. And then I wonder, yeah, I greased up the push bolt. And we're going to push on the caliper mounting here, so want to be careful that we don't bend that. Looks like these are pretty sturdy, so put a little bit of pressure on there. Oh, that's probably a 22, huh? Yeah, it's not this size. So there we go, it's a 22. Let's just use the smaller impact. And then I'm going to watch it really carefully. So it did crack it loose. Let's go down here and hit this bottom one. That one's even more stronger. Nothing really on this side to push on. Let's go back up and hit this one a little bit. She's coming. There we go. Nothing to it. Oh, so that worked really nice. It's a SGT. It says super grade tools. That looks like it's about 1/2 inch thick. Yeah, she's out. Just started going out. Alright, so there's a little ball bearing inside there. She worked really well. Very impressive. I haven't had a tool like this that works that good for a while. So let's go ahead and put everything away. Let's run this all the way through. Get that grease on there. There we go, she's all greased up. So the only thing better would have been if it came in a case, I guess. But we'll just put this foam pan out here and put it in the drawer. We'll just leave it in the box, put it in the drawer. Came with some gloves, user manual, which we didn't need. So yeah, I thought it worked really good. And I'll put a link down in the description. And for right now, that's going to do it. So hopefully you guys are all having a good day, working really hard. And thanks for watching. You catch me next time.